about today is degree, minute, seconds. Degree, minute, seconds. And the way this works, it's not on the phone. So, the way this works is for latitude and longitude. Okay, so degrees, minutes, and seconds. And we're going to do some problems eventually. So we're going to learn this real quick. So if I said we're going to be in here for an hour and a half, the 0.5, how many minutes is that?
30.
Right? And so the 0.5 is how many minutes? 30, right? And we'd have to add the 30 and the 60 together to get the 90. So this is going to work the same way. So 1 degree is 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 1 degree is 60 times 60 is 3,600. And the symbol for degree is the degree symbol, right? The minute is 1 tick mark, and the second is 2 tick marks. So if I look at 31.875, so I want to convert my 0.875 degrees to minutes and seconds. All right? So I'm going to take just the decimal part, 0.875, and I'm going to multiply by 60. And when I do that, I get 52.5, and that's minutes. And that's minutes. So the 52 is minutes. But the 0.5, I'm going to take the 0.5 from right here, and I'm going to multiply by 60 again, because that's going to give me seconds. So I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to get the degrees from the whole number, 31 degrees. I'm going to get 52 minutes and 30 seconds. You just move the decimal down and multiply again. Like, I can't make this hard. There's nothing I can do to make it hard. Okay. So we're going to do 3 and 5 together. So first of all, I want to get this in degrees, minutes, seconds. So I'm going to take 0.915, and what am I going to multiply by? So if I multiply by 60, I get 54.9, and this is my minutes. The whole number is my minutes, so what do I do at the 0.9? 0.9 times 60. Yes. So number 5, we're going to take 0.526 times 60, and that's going to give me 31.56 minutes. I'm going to take the 0.56 times 60, and that's going to give me 33.6 seconds. So I'm not multiplying again, right? 0.5 or greater, we round up, and if it's 0.4 or less, we drop. So when I write this, I'm going to get 48 degrees, 31 minutes, and 34 seconds, because I rounded up. Any questions? Okay, let's go to the back. So, I want to change my degrees, minutes, and seconds, and now I just want degrees. So what I'm going to do is the 9 minutes, we have to divide by 60. So 9 divided by 60 gives me 0.15. I'm going to take my 50 seconds. And how many were in? 3,600, right? So we're going to divide by 3,600. And that gives me 0.014. So to get the answer, I have the degrees right here. So I'm going to write 73 point, and then I'm going to add these two together. We're going to add. So I end up with 0.164, and that's your degrees. So let's try 13 and 15 together, and then we can be done. So how do 28 divided by 60, and what does that give you? It's 0.46 repeating, right? So that's 0.467. We go to 3. And then I'm going to take 20 divided by 3,600, and that gives me 0.006. And I get my degrees. I get 310 point, and when I add, I get 473. Always 3. So 14 divided by 60 gives me 0.233. 56 divided by 3,600 gives me 0.016. I get my degrees here, 50 point, and when I add, I get 249 degrees.